Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L365 driver. So first you have to open any browser to enter the Google search box to type this model number and enter the driver. After that you can see the first URL and second URL, also Epson official site, so you can download the driver. Okay, you just click on it, epsonco.in. Then scroll down, select operating system. If you can see it is not showing the Windows 11, so no worry about it. Windows 10 64 driver will be support on this. Okay, driver, and after that you can see the printers driver and click on extract text and just click to download. After that open new tab. Now you can see, and I accept the agree and scroll down and click to download. Now you can see the OS Windows 11 64-bit it will support, Windows 10 also, 8 also. So Windows 7, 8, 8.1 all are installations process same. Okay, just click to download. After a few seconds it will start downloading in the download box. You can see the one downloading in the progress. Wait few seconds to complete, then I show you the installations process. So it is completed. Just single click to open. After that click to yes. Then click to OK. After that select your language which is you required. After that click OK. Now then agree and then click to OK. Now this installation has been started. So wait few seconds to install the driver. Then there are two options: network by Wi-Fi and LAN, and second you can USB. So if you want to connect to network, so you can select this and click to OK. After that your printer will detect system and then next to install. If you want to connect via USB, so turn on your printer and connect printer to your laptop via USB printer USB cable and then click to OK. After that you can see detect and next to install. Okay, then you can see the scanner driver next. Okay, just click to download. It will start downloading. You just have to agree and download. After that you can see start downloading. So it is completed. Then open, then yes, then next. I accept the term and conditions agreement also. Now you can see it is installing the Epson scan setup, and it will shortcut will come on your desktop icon will be on desktop, so you can scan. Okay, yeah. So after all completed, that you have to restart your system and then please check it.